Today's video is about the device list and the favorites on the new Webapp 3.0 for the Smartrek monitoring system at H2O. So first of all, if you want to open the device list, you need to click on the three little white lines at the top left. Then you need to click on nodes, and after that, device list. So as you can see right now, everything is in gray. This is the list where you see everything. So all the nodes that you have in the system are there. And again, it's in gray because it's whole data, so it's stale data. The system is not live. So when the system is not communicating to the web app, after 10 minutes, the system is going to put everything in gray, and it's going to also give you a notification right there at the top right. So at the top right, there's a notification of stale data, and it's going to give you the date. So the system is down since May 21st. So that's a nice feature to know that your system is not communicating with the web app, so you cannot rely on the data that is shown. So after that, the other icon you've got here in the header is the full screen icon. So can it be used for the producers who want to display their system on the TV? The other icon is the bell. Here you've got all your notifications. So 7 notification of system notification. So these are the dead node, low voltage, low vacuum, temperature, every threshold that you've set. You can also switch the menu to favorites. So I'm just gonna delete it to show you how to create it. So this is a pretty cool feature, the favorites, because you're not always on the device list. So that means when you are on the device list, you see everything. But if you go back, if you go in the differentials, or if you go in the network map, you can't see everything. You just see the map and the sensor. You don't see your tank level. So that's where we use the favorites to see those critical data when you are in another page. So I'll go back in the device list just to show you how to create the favorites. So I'll click back on the bell, the little bell right there at the top right, and I need to be in the favorites. So just click on the 3 little black lines here. Click on add a new list, and I'm just gonna give a name to the list. So tank level. I can also create another list, relay control. So now I'm gonna put nodes into those lists. So I'm gonna take that 6,000 gallons tank level here, click on the 3 little dots, add to favorites, and then choose the right list. So tank level. So you can choose other nodes. Right here I can use the water depth here. So it's a silo. 3 little dots, add to favorites. I'll put there in the tank level because it's water level. So after that, I can also put my relay control into the good favorite list. So I'll show you, if you go back into the network map, I can open the little bell, go in favorites, and I see all my favorites. Another thing you can do, click on the click on the plus here. You can pin the list. So I can close the bell. The list is right there. I put it wherever I want. And if I switch page, it's gonna stay. I can also open it in a new window. So that's another setting, another thing to do. After that, here you can click and change the language. You can also click here in the settings to set the dark mode. So the screen is gonna be black. So sometimes we see better when it's in the dark mode, especially on TVs. If I click here again, I can see my profile and I can also sing out. I'll go back in the device list and I'm also gonna set the normal mode. Another feature I can show you today is to edit the page. So if you click at the bottom right on the three little dots that are in the yellow circle, click on the pen and I can edit the page. So I can drag and drop those columns and put it wherever I want. So I just need to save it. In another edit mode I can do is if I go back there and click on the pen, I can drag and drop the nodes that are in the same column. So I can put it in order like that, 6, 7, and 12, and I just need to click here to save it. So that's pretty much for the device list and the favorites. Hope you enjoy it and see you in the next video. Thank you.